Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Premiere Pro not using GPU acceleration for rendering. The first thing we're going to do is right click on the Start or Windows icon and let's go to Settings. From here, click on System, scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. From here, you should have Adobe Premiere Pro listed. If not, you can click on Browse and select the Adobe Premiere Pro app depending on where you have it installed. And once it is on this list, select Premiere Pro and click on Options. From here, make sure that the graphics preference is set to high performance and just hit save. The second way we're going to do is to go back to Premiere Pro and click on the File tab at the top left, go to Project Settings and click on General. From here, we're going to set the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. Once you have selected that, just click on OK right here. And the next step will be to go to the Edit tab at the top left again, go to Preferences, and let's click on Memory. From here, we are going to make sure that the RAM reserved for other applications is set to the minimum, which is usually 3 GB, and the RAM available for Premiere Pro should be enough so that it will run smoothly and have more RAM to be used. Once you have done that, just click on OK right here. And if it's still not working for you, the next step would be to ensure that the latest graphics driver is installed on your computer. To do that, just search for Device Manager, and let's open up Device Manager right here. Let's expand the display adapters by clicking on this little arrow key, and you should be able to find your graphics driver. You can right click on it and click on Properties. Let's go to the Driver tab and you can check the driver version. And what you're going to do is to go to the manufacturing site based on the brand of your graphics driver and make sure that you have the latest graphics driver installed. And that is how you can basically fix Premiere Pro not using GPU acceleration for rendering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.